When it comes to boosting your home's curb appeal in Pasadena, every detail counts. From landscaping to exterior finishes, the right design choices can make your home stand out. One often overlooked feature that can dramatically elevate your home's exterior is window selection. Awning windows, in particular, offer a stylish and functional way to enhance both the look and feel of your home. Whether you're renovating or building a new home, here's how awning windows in Pasadena can boost your property's curb appeal. Sleek and contemporary design. Awning windows are a popular choice for homeowners looking to achieve a modern, streamlined look. These windows feature a simple, yet elegant design, with a hinged frame that opens outward from the bottom. This distinctive style is perfect for creating a clean, contemporary aesthetic that complements a variety of architectural styles in Pasadena, from mid-century modern homes to craftsman-style properties. Their sleek appearance works particularly well with minimalist designs, where less is more. When paired with clean lines and neutral exteriors, awning windows can add a touch of sophistication without overwhelming your home's design. Their unobtrusive style provides a subtle but impactful upgrade to your home's exterior. Improved visual appeal. Awning windows offer a unique way to visually enhance your home's exterior. The way they open outward creates a distinct, angular profile that draws the eye and adds dimension to your home. This can be especially beneficial if your home's exterior needs a focal point or you want to break up the symmetry of more traditional window designs. For homes with a modern, urban aesthetic, awning windows can complement other architectural elements like large glass panels or flat roofs. They also work well with more traditional architecture, providing a fresh take on classic window designs. By choosing awning windows, you can create an eye-catching feature that not only adds to your home's charm but also sets it apart from other properties in the neighborhood. Maximized natural light. One of the most significant ways that awning windows enhance your home's curb appeal is by allowing more natural light to enter your home. Because of their wide and relatively unobstructed glass panes, awning windows can flood a room with sunlight, creating a brighter and more inviting atmosphere. This can instantly make a space feel more open and airy, which is especially beneficial in rooms like living areas, kitchens, or bathrooms that need ample daylight. In Pasadena's pleasant climate, the influx of natural light through well-positioned awning windows can brighten your home while reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. This not only improves your home's overall appearance but also contributes to energy savings by decreasing the need to rely on electricity. Improved ventilation with style. Awning windows are designed to open outward from the bottom, which allows for improved ventilation without sacrificing privacy or security. This unique operation makes them ideal for creating cross-ventilation in your home, especially in rooms where airflow might otherwise be restricted, like bathrooms or kitchens. In Pasadena, where temperatures can fluctuate between the seasons, awning windows allow you to enjoy fresh air without worrying about rain or outdoor debris entering your home. The angled design of the window helps to keep rain out while still allowing a breeze to flow through, making it a functional yet stylish option for enhancing your home's curb appeal. The ability to maintain airflow, even during light rain, is a practical feature that adds value to your home. Versatile placement options. Awning windows are incredibly versatile when it comes to placement. They can be used as standalone windows or paired with other types of windows, such as picture windows or casement windows, to create a cohesive look. This versatility allows you to customize your home's exterior and design the ideal window arrangement to complement your architectural style. For example, if you have a larger space, you can place multiple awning windows across a wall to create an open, unified appearance. Alternatively, you can place them above or below larger windows to add visual interest and enhance the balance of your home's facade. Whether you're updating the windows on your front porch, in a living room, or in a sunroom, awning windows can be arranged in a way that enhances the overall flow and design of your home. Durability and low maintenance. While aesthetics and functionality are important, durability is also a key consideration for homeowners. Awning windows are made from materials that can withstand the elements, making them a low-maintenance and long-lasting option for homes in Pasadena. These windows are typically constructed from materials such as vinyl, wood, or aluminum, each of which offers weather resistance and minimal upkeep. Unlike some window styles that require frequent cleaning or maintenance, awning windows are designed to be easy to operate and maintain. Their outward opening mechanism helps to prevent dirt and debris from accumulating inside the window frame, reducing the need for constant cleaning. This durability ensures that your awning windows will continue to look great and perform well for years to come, enhancing your home's curb appeal without added hassle. Increased property value. Finally, installing awning windows can increase your home's value. Their aesthetic appeal, combined with their practical benefits, makes them a desirable feature for potential buyers. Homes with updated, stylish windows often stand out in the real estate market, especially in areas like Pasadena where curb appeal can play a significant role in selling a property. By opting for high-quality awning windows, you can improve your home's visual appeal, enhance energy efficiency, and increase its market value. Whether you plan to sell your home in the near future or simply want to enjoy the benefits of a more beautiful and functional living space, awning windows provide a worthwhile investment. Conclusion. Awning windows offer an array of benefits for homeowners in Pasadena looking to improve their home's curb appeal. From their sleek, modern design to the enhanced ventilation and natural light they provide, awning windows are an excellent choice for adding both beauty and functionality to your home. Whether you're updating an existing property or building a new one, professional installation of awning windows can elevate your home's exterior, making it more attractive and energy efficient. With their durability, versatility, and style, awning windows are a smart investment that enhances your home's overall appeal and value.